This is another major step in the fight to change Illinois law and put an end to squatting. Two state lawmakers are teaming up to make this happen, and they're also putting together a squatter task force. Senate Bill 1563, a proposed law to crack down on squatting in Illinois, is gaining momentum, and homeowners are rejoicing.
Hallelujah. I'm so happy about this.
Illinois State Senator Lakeisha Collins is the author of the bill, which passed the Senate and is heading to the House for review. She believes it'll give property owners in Illinois the protection they need and deserve.
Senate Bill 1563 will give clarity for law enforcement to go in and remove trespassers. Squatters currently, they have to go through a legal process, which is sometimes long and lengthy, and it's a burden on folks who are trying to remove these people from their property.
The ABC 7i team has been covering complaints about squatters for weeks. Homeowners across our area saying strangers moved into their property, claiming to have rights to be there, and refuse to leave. Current law prevents police from removing alleged squatters from homes. Property owners have to handle it through eviction court.
Somebody can just come into your home and break into your home and present a false document with no repercussions whatsoever.
This ordeal has been very stressful, physically, financially, mentally.
We cannot continuously suffer in silence with squatters who are taking over our lives.
State Representative LaShawn Ford is now partnering with Senator Collins on this bill and will be pushing for it in the Illinois House.
There's a lot of people dealing with squatters in Illinois and across the country, but the fact is, if you have good journalism that's able to socialize it, it brings people together, and a lot of people have said, I'm dealing with that too. And I think that's why it's more acceptable to pass in Springfield, because people now realize it's a big problem.
Ford and Collins strongly believe this bill will pass, but in the meantime, they're putting together a squatter task force, bringing landlords, tenants, and real estate professionals to the table to discuss squatting cases, solutions, and educate the public on how to protect their property.
I'm excited that we're finally doing something now to take this stand.
It's a great step in the right direction. We need more action, we need more awareness, and we need results.
The bill is aimed at separating tenants who have rights from squatters who, under this new law, would not if it gets passed. Now, I did speak with some housing advocates who initially were concerned about some of these proposed bills, but in this particular bill, they say they are pleased with it, they like the language, and they support it, and it appears that it's getting bipartisan support, so we'll see what happens next.